Welcome to quizcrazy.in.
Today, we present to you facts about Hoover Dam. So, let's get started with top 10 facts about Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam is located in the United States of America, between the states of Nevada and Arizona. Hoover Dam was originally known as Boulder Dam. Hoover Dam was officially named after the 31st President of the United States, President Herbert Clark Hoover. The purpose of Hoover Dam is to generate power, to control floods, to provide irrigation water and for water storage. The water body, which Hoover Dam holds, is Lake Mead. Hoover Dam was officially completed on September 30, 1935, and was dedicated to the nation by President Franklin D. Roosevelt. The river, which originates from Hoover Dam, is called Colorado River. Hoover Dam project was known as the Boulder Canyon Project at approval stages in the Congress. Hoover Dam was completed within a span of 5 years, from 1931 to 1936. Hoover Dam can generate 2,080 megawatt of hydroelectric power.
Thank you so much. Do like, share and subscribe our channel quizcrazy.in. Keep smiling.